Dad, if you have to get up and out and travel and get away from your kids, you might as well look good while you're doing it. Have you been watching all of those CEOs all over the country? They're always wearing sneakers. The loafers, the penny loafers, those things are all out. I've started looking into different options that won't completely break the bank that I can use while I'm on business travel, like you can see today, to really dive into it. And what I found will surprise you. It's a custom shoe company called Becket Simonon, and they make shoes that are pre-order. They make them on behalf of you, but they won't break the bank. And I'm wearing some right here. See, these ones are amazing. Let's walk through the unboxing experience of these two sneakers that I got, why I love them, the challenges that I don't like about them, and everything in between while we talk about Becket Simonon and how you and me, Dad, can be better suited as we go out into our professional career so we can do more, make more, and win more for our kids, our family, and especially our wife. Stick with me. Let's jump right into it. I don't know about you, but as I watch these Silicon Valley people walking around, they all have sneakers on. It's pretty amazing to me. I always thought, I'm going to wear some loafers, I'm going to wear some nice shoes, but this is the way of the world today, and it's pretty amazing to see that even these CEOs are wearing some very expensive shoes like these Gucci ones right here for $550. That's not how I'm going to do it. I still want something nice. I want something custom, but I'm not going to break the bank. So here is my setup from Becket Simonon. Now, these take a long time to order. As I said, everything is custom made in their factory down in South America, and it's really cool to see how they are made. They've got some great videos about it, and they really help out the men and women who are making these shoes. But you put in your order, and it takes about a month, sometimes 2 months, or a little bit longer for these shoes to come in. But believe me, Dad, it is worth the wait. I got this on a special deal. They have a lot of different deals. This was 2 pairs of sneakers, I think for $199. So this is the first one. You can see they come in a great, beautiful box. They each have their own little shoe bags. This is the first one. I went with some leather ones. So as you can see when I get this pulled out, they are very slick, very white, but all leather, all custom. I tell you what, these look darn good. They look a little tight, and they look like they could get dirty, foreshadowing, but we'll talk about that here a little bit later. Let's pull up the second one. Nice. Good choice, Ryan. And now it comes with a bunch of different other things too. It comes with a handwritten note. This is absolutely impressive. So as you can see, this is from the shoe person. Your support helps us keep our craft alive. Thank you. And they give you some information with another discount. There's a 20% off discount code right there. And then how you can return it. They do make a certain amount of shoes in various sizes that can be returned, and you can get those back. They're pretty strict on returns though, so don't wear them outside. Make sure to send them back in primo condition so that you can make sure you get that back in and returned and refunded and get some new shoes that fit you. But they've got a pretty good process for that. Here's my second pair. Same things, they got extra laces, they've got some insoles. Ooh, what do you think about that color? I kind of like it. I've been wearing these a lot lately. We'll show you some of that, but these are different. They're unique. They're kind of that suede. They look like they can get dirty too. More foreshadowing, but yeah, these are some cool looking shoes, and they definitely make a statement. Now again, I got both of these shoes for $199. Custom made specifically for me. You can't get that in this type of quality for that price point without using Becket Simonon, and I'm truly impressed by that. So let's go on a business trip. I'm flying out to California for this trip, and I definitely want to give these things a try. So as you can see, I'm wearing some Viore pants. These are really nice. They're stretchy, great. But as I'm walking around, I'm already starting to notice, one, they're super stiff, super tight. And obviously they're new, and as I've been wearing them for days going past that.
He's right here.
Oh, hey, did you ever wonder what it would like to go through a scanner? Well, now you know. It's pretty cool. The guy told me it wasn't a big deal to actually have that on there. So as you can see, it kind of took everything and made it blurry for a second. Pretty interesting. Heading from Denver International Airport, stopping at the Amex Platinum Lounge. Dad, if you don't have an Amex card, check out my video about that card. You absolutely need one, and you can go to the Amex Platinum Lounge anywhere they have them in the country. It's fantastic. You'll never go back. Had myself some water, checking out the shoes as I'm walking around. And then finally, as I get into California, getting checked into the hotel, it's nice and sunny, but as you can see, those things are a little bit dirty. This is one of the challenges that I have, but they still feel good. They're a little bit tight, and as I was walking around throughout this entire trip, they definitely started hurting. I can tell you after the fact, after you wear them for, 5, 6, 7 hours, they start to really break in for you nice and easy. Next day, getting ready to leave, heading back home. Let's try on the other pair of suede shoes, my green suede shoes, so be it. Oop, forgot to take out the tissue paper in there. Get those set. Now, these things look good. As you can see, I've just got some, slacks on, cotton slacks with a sweater. Always got to have those nice looking socks. It was really making a statement. I felt really good in these. Heading back to the airport and really enjoying the day. Southern California, December, it was actually beautiful, nice and hot. But heading back to cold Colorado, sitting there in my seat, heading back home. You know what I tell you, Dad? These are impressive. I highly recommend getting Becket and Simonon shoes. And they don't just have sneakers, they have really, really nice dress shoes, leather dress shoes that you will absolutely love. So give it a shot. Thanks. So what do you think? I'm really loving both of these shoes. I'm excited to get some new ones and really dive into the process and all the different styles that they have. If you're interested and you want to learn more about this, I've got a link down below to Becket and Simonon. This is a affiliate link. So if you want to click on that, it's not going to cost you anymore. It'll give a kickback to the channel so I can continue to make great content for you. And if you're interested in learning more about the most important part is getting yourself in shape so that you can feel good while you're out and doing these things and enjoy the seasons of life you have with your kids, check out this video right here. This will talk all about the Fit Fatherhood formula, and you can jump deep into this entire process. I'll walk you through the whole thing. Thanks for watching the video. Come back next week. I'll see you soon. Thanks.